Guys, we're back with something super unique. We have the all-new Paraglider from Razordon and ready to fly. So we get a remote, the Paraglider, and a 3S 1500 milliamp battery. I want to say it's right around $200. Now, there is a discount code to this. It's down below in the description next to the link. So if you're interested, definitely check one out. Now, this is easy to fly, but it's also aerobatic. They claim I could do some back loops and stuff like that, which we're going to test. But when I say this is easy to fly, I mean it because I've flown it in my backyard, which I'm showing the clip right here. Now, why am I at the field? Because I want to get a full flight review for you guys showing, you know, its capabilities. So the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to open up this parachute. Now, there is no assembly required. Guys, it literally comes like this. I did nothing. I pulled it out of the box, and this was how it was. So if you're worried about, you know, other ones that you have to, like, measure it, make sure your lines are the right length, with this, you do not have to. So, of course, we have our little propeller, and they do send some extra parts with it in case you break something. Nice touch from Razordon. Now, the parachute, it's not tremendous, but it is a good size. And like I said, man, it does fly very well. Much easier to get in the air than other paragliders on the market. And I'm really loving this thing. So, turn the remote on. Now, it does come with a lanyard as well. I don't have my lanyard. I don't like flying with lanyards. It's not really my thing. XT60. Now, guys, that's low rate. And then we have high rate. So, I'm going to take off with low rate. And if you push down on this stick, so here's the functions. You have your throttle, obviously. You have left, you have right, and then you could pull down, and that's going to help you slow down and bring it in. So let's get this bad boy in the air. Actually, you know what I want to do? I want to show you guys what my hands are doing while I fly this. So let's get this on my chest. We'll give it a go. Now the key here, you want to go into the wind. Now there's a very light wind here, so I'm going to go a little throttle. Try to get some air into that parachute. Which way is the wind blowing? I think it's coming from that way. Yep. Nope. Guys, it's okay to abort the throw. You don't want to throw this thing into the ground. Come on, wind. Well, I guess that's our aerobatic right there. Easy on the power, guys. I panicked, but we're up. I did this better in my backyard. All right. Guys, RC Paraglider, man. Now I'm staying in low rate. Let me bring it over. It's kind of a learning curve because you have to use the throttle to adjust altitude, where, you know, us that are used to flying RC airplanes or helicopters, throttle is what adjusts our altitude. I mean, yeah, well, does that make sense? Guys, she looks good. She looks real good. We're going at the high rate. A little more throw. Now what I want to do is going to be a slow climb out, but we're going to get it in the air because I actually want to try some back loops and some twists. So let's get this thing up. All right, coming over us. Now, a lot of you might say this is boring for you. It's, you know what? It's a relaxing flyer. This isn't something you're going to be like, you know, buzzing around at 100 miles an hour, but it's something that you guys are going to get probably 30 minutes of flight time on a little 1500 milliamp battery. Let's go back loop. Woo-hoo-hoo. And the power is off. I'm pulling down on that stick. Let's see if it descends. Yeah, it descends pretty good, actually. It's just coming down. Now the key here is trying to get it back to us. She is slow. I gotta be honest, this was definitely more fun in my backyard. But I mean, she does fly well. Parachute's nice. Alright. Let's come right in front of us. Guys, you go too far away, this might take you a year and 3 days to get it back. Nah, not yet. We're gonna keep it in the air. What are we thinking? 200 bucks? I think it's pretty good. Easy on that power. You know what this would be good for, to be honest with you? Put FPV head tracking on this thing. Put it in the air and send it up. Go, you know, take your time like a real paraglider, because guys, if you ever watch like these paragliders on YouTube, they take a long time to get up high into the clouds. So you know, you put an FPV camera on this thing, you send this thing 400 feet up and coast around. I think it would make a great FPV platform if it could hold the weight, which I think it could. It's an interesting flight, man. The wind's starting to kick up, so you feel it bopping around a little bit, but she definitely looks good. Now let's see if we can catch it. Gotta be careful because of that prop. Whoa, the wind got under her. All right. Now guys, there's a reason I just did that, which I'm gonna tell you right now. If you do not catch it like the way I just did, when this hits the floor, it front flips, and then you need to know how many times it front flipped to untangle your parachute. So you got to be careful when you're doing that, because if you don't, you're going to be sitting there untangling this thing for a long time. Me and Cheyenne did that in the backyard, and it really was a nightmare. And we'll land it. So just be careful, you know, if you guys get one of these, definitely, you know. Oh, see, I'm tangling my wires already. Oh my God. Guys, there's a few things that I really don't get along with, and history repeated itself on that first hand throw. Paragliders are one of the things, and anything water related I don't get along with. But I think it's cool. I think for the price, ready to fly. If you guys, you know, this is your kind of thing and you like relaxing flights or even just buzzing around your backyard at low throttle, I think it's a good option. So, I mean, if you guys are interested, the link is down below with a discount code, so check it out. And as always, I appreciate you guys watching. Till next time.